Today we will see how to use this, and there's many videos, but I think mostly in a different language. I'm going to do it in English. And yeah, this is a coffee maker, and this is where you put the coffee, and this is where you're going to put the water. So I'm going to show you step by step how this is done. I'm going to pour some water into this container, but first of all you must remember there is a marker here, so you cannot put anything beyond that. The water should not be going beyond that. So pour some water inside, depending on how much of coffee you want. If you want it a little bit thicker, maybe you can reduce the water. So now this is for the water. I'm going to now take, sorry about this thing, and now I have to put the coffee inside this. I like this one, Barista. For me, it tastes good. I like the flavor of it, so I'm going to, sorry, I'm trying to do the things in there. Let's see. So I need to carefully put some coffee. I'm going to place this here. Sorry about this. Yeah. I don't want to put too much. You can put up to the level, and then make sure it's leveled properly. Yeah, so you can put up to the max, but never above that. So make sure you press it properly. Yeah, so then after which you screw it back. Here, and this is done. And now I'm going to light the gas. Make sure the gas is not more than this bottom. Yes, I'm going to use the smaller one to boil. Okay, and the fire is not too big. And yeah, and put it onto the stove and leave this open. Yeah. Once it boils, it pushes up, and the filtered coffee will be on top of here. I'll come back with the second video on this.